Gotta say it. Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Taste, taste. What it say? It's all the same like Mary Kate. Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Taste, taste. Let you get a taste. Taste, taste. Do you love the taste?
So much of this is Auntie Money in the building. I'm back with another video. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? So today, right now, I know it's kind of early, but I just wanted to make a YouTube video just in case, you know what I'm saying? Because I just had to pick the time of the day, you know. As you guys can see, I got my hair done, you know what I'm saying? Little top-notch bun, you feel me? Looking good and all that, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, what? But I just had to be like, you know, I'm probably going to do another vlog probably, but I got a surprise for y'all. Because I wanted to, like, vent to y'all about this. But I got a new family member. We brought a new family member in the family. And I would say this because I bring a new family member because, like, as you can say, I'm going to get, like, my last dog, he was grown up, but, you know, he died in 2020 on December 30th. But it's like, it's okay. But it's like, well, I wouldn't say it's okay because, you know, I still have my sad moments because, you know, I really do dearly miss him. I miss you, Pepper. And, yeah, I would say I'm bringing a new family member, so make sure y'all stay tuned. And I'm going to tell you all about it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification every time I post another link it's hit. So let's get into the video, y'all. Let's get it, y'all. So I got a new family member. We got a new dog. I'm counting 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at him. He's so cute. He's a Shih Tzu too, so like, yeah.
I want to go sleep.
We named him Rocky, little Rocky. He bad, but we had him on what date? I forgot. But he is so cute. He's tired right now, but I'm about to go put him back in his bed. But look at him, he's so cute, but he bad. Shoot. We got him like the day before yesterday. We got him like, yeah, we had him on like the day before yesterday. And he is so cute. He's tired right now. That's why he laying on my chest. Yeah, let's get into the cutie moment. Make sure y'all screenshot pictures. Oh, how about y'all screenshot a picture? He's so cute, but I'm gonna go put him back in his bed and I'll be right back, y'all. So like, as y'all can see, I'm not even gonna lie, when I first got the dog, I shed a tear. I was crying tears. Like, I had tears coming down my face. I had to step out the car. I was tearing up because it was like, the dog reminds me of my last dog, you know what I'm saying? And my last dog, we had our last dog, his name was Pepper. We had Pepper since 2015, the same year he was born on June 17th. And basically, we had him since 2015 through 2020. So, yeah. This time, like, it's kind of okay, but it's kind of new and it's so different now. Because now I don't got to sleep by myself every night. Yeah. It's kind of good. You know what I'm saying? I was just, you know, I'm not even going to lie to you. I was literally kind of sad every night because I had to sleep by myself every night, you know what I'm saying? I get no comfort. But it's like, once we got the dog, like I said, when I tell you I was crying tears. My whole face was red, my nose was red, my eyes was puffied up. Bro, it was only because he reminded me of my last dog. And when I seen him, he reminded me of my last dog. My last dog, when we got him, he was more than 6 weeks. The dog over there is 6 weeks. And it's like, he looked a little bit so much like the last one. And it just made me think like, dang, if my last dog's here today, it would never be like this. But you know, stuff happens, you know what I'm saying? Life is too short. I could say that, but I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. I have a lot of stuff to do today because I have to get the dog like, oh wait, I gotta go back. That I have to go do something, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we gotta get a dog a cage. We gotta give him like more PB pads because we running out of PB pads. And we just got his cage right here. So like we're trying to get everything situated, you know what I'm saying? What else do we gotta give the dog? We gotta give him a new bed. And my brother probably gonna be coming over today, so yeah. And make sure y'all stay tuned on this YouTube channel because I'm going to be giving y'all birthday vlogs because I am having a sleepover. And for my mom's birthday, we is going out of town. So I'm going to give y'all like a Miami vlog. And make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm going to be coming out with an out of town vlog because we might going to be going to Miami probably. And make sure y'all stay for another birthday vlog because it's going to be my brother's birthday. It's going to be my cousin's birthday probably. I'm probably not going to be able to see my cousin, but for my birthday, I'm going to have like not like a slumber party because that's too like kiddie-ish, but I'm having a birthday vlog because I'm having a party, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be partying hardy. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? So make sure y'all stay tuned for the birthday vlogs, and I'm going to be giving y'all a clothing haul, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that because I have a lot of clothes from Forever 21, from Love Culture, and from VIP Wear. So, and I'm going to be showing y'all my birthday dresses from Shein and Pretty Little Things, probably. Or probably only Pretty Little Things. But make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Because I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff on the channel. I know I've been slacking off a little bit. And I got to fix my camera because, you know, my camera kept blurrying up in all my videos. But we're about to get it back great for y'all. We're about to get it back. And just know I'm about to be going dummy on this YouTube channel, so yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. But I'm about to get out of here, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell every time I post another lick content. And make sure y'all stay tuned for all the vlogs and all the clothing hauls and all that. And I'm probably gonna post a prank on here too. But yeah, bye, troublemakers.